Here's a secret. A lot of people don't realize this, but when you go through the home loan process and your credit report is pulled from the 3 major credit bureaus, so Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, that's very typical for the home loan pre-qualification process. Guess what? There are home loan lenders in this country that actually will go to those top 3 credit bureaus and purchase your information. That's right. They want to know that you're shopping for a home loan so then they can actually solicit your business. Now, this becomes very confusing for people because a lot of times you're thinking it's your lender that's calling you and it's another lender that might be calling you. Now, they may not know the story, your goals, what's the most important thing, any of the history that you've already shared, but some of these solicitation calls get very, very interesting and they're scary and you don't know quite what the heck, who's this person? I just talked to so-and-so at my lender. Well, that's why you might be experiencing that. Now, there's a way to stop it, whether you've already applied for the home loan or whether you're thinking about applying for the home loan. Check out the details in this video. To reduce the number of unsolicited calls, the best thing you can do is opt out by adding yourself to the National Do Not Call Registry. The website to go to is donotcall.gov. We'll give you a link in the description below. You may also call 1-888-382-1222 from the number you are wishing to opt out from. You can register your mobile number for free and your home number too. You can actually register up to 3 personal numbers at one time. Business numbers are not covered. If you register online, you will get a confirmation email. If you receive an unwanted call after your number was on the National Registry for 31 days, you can actually report that to the FDIC. This is serious stuff. A couple of things to note. Your phone number should show up on the registry the next day, but it can take up to 31 days for sales calls to stop. Keep in mind, you may continue to receive calls from groups such as charities, political groups, debt collectors, surveys, as those are allowed. The Do Not Call Registry stops sales calls from real companies. Unfortunately, the list cannot stop spammers. Companies can still call you if you've recently done business with them or if you've given them permission to call. But if you ask them not to call, they have to stop. Be sure to write down the date you asked a company to stop calling you. Here's a few other things you can try. If you're receiving text messages, in most cases you can reply with stop and you should be removed from their list. You can install a spam blocker on your phone, which I have, and it's fantastic. If you need to report a call, there is information on how to do that on the donotcall.gov website. I hope you found value in this information. Nobody wants these unwanted calls. I get it, so share this video. If you have additional questions or comments, let us know below.